to the desk of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple MagSafe Duo Charger. This particular travel type charger for MagSafe products has been around since the introduction of the iPhone 12. Personally, it's taken me a while to do this one because I was kind of waiting on what Mophie came out with, because I'm a fairly big Mophie proponent. I have a lot of their products, but in this case they came out with a similar product, but it has more features than I really need at this point, and it's actually significantly more expensive. So more expensive than the MagSafe, which is already pretty expensive at a retail price of $130. I did pick up this particular one for $120 off of Amazon. I will put the link down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing open and see what we think. So we have the standard pull tab here that will open the plastic for us. And then it should just come off the top here. There we go. So it's just laid out on the top here. We've got the spot for your iPhone, and then another spot for your Apple Watch. So taking it out of the box, it is a fairly heavy, decently heavy product. It looks like there is in fact some metal underneath this plastic covering. I might have wanted them to have more of a metal finish anyway, because this is going to get dinged up. It is magnetic, folds, and it is magnetic, obviously. You've got the magnets for it. It is a MagSafe product. I was expecting it to be more of a soft material around the edge. Based on the pictures, it looks like it was kind of like an inflated thing that had this stuff in the middle, but it does appear to have a metal core to it, except for the hinge part here. So other than that, it's your standard setup. So let's look at what else is in the box here. It does not come with a block charger, charger block. It does come with a USB-C to a Lightning cable, so you will have to provide your own block. And right now I have this kind of setup here. It's generally kind of messy. I have a 3 USB-A charger block, and I have a Lightning cable, I have my Apple Watch cable, and then a USB-C for my iPad Pro. So this will get rid of those a lot of those cables. I'll have the one cable. This will actually, I'll probably just keep this one to plug into the USB-C. So that's pretty much all that's in the box. I'll let you guys know how this goes. But basically, you can just put your Apple Watch here. It's just like your regular setup. Have to take the plastic off. We got that, and then you can put your iPhone on. It's basically a compact travel charger. I'll let you guys know if I recommend it in a few weeks. Stay tuned for some other products that I will be reviewing. One of them is the Toro Power Shovel. We finally did get some snow, and also a couple of my Bose products that I've recently unboxed. I will do a review video for those as well, so stay tuned. Like and share this video if you enjoyed the content, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.